Startling new evidence tonight that people of color are far more likely to get Alzheimer's than white people are. It's enough to cause the Alzheimer's Association to plan a national town hall with leading researchers looking for the reasons why. I spoke with the Director of Diversity and Inclusion for the National Alzheimer's Association, who says Hispanics are 1.5 times more likely to get Alzheimer's, but Black people are nearly 3 times as likely to be diagnosed with Alzheimer's or dementia.
This is a critical situation in health disparities and an already, I think, priority public health condition with over 5 million Americans living with Alzheimer's or dementia right now.
Through multiple studies and data collection, researchers know the color of your skin can be a predictor of your risk for Alzheimer's. But there is not a nationally representative study that specifically recruited Blacks and Latinos.
So there's also the challenge of being sure that the populations that are disproportionately affected, most at risk, that they are involved in the clinical trials and the research that we see focused on treatments and interventions for Alzheimer's and other dementia.
Dr. Hill says part of the problem might be lack of access to quality health care, education, and awareness. Researchers know that eating a healthy diet, physical activity, staying cognitively engaged are important tools in fighting the onset of Alzheimer's. And they know people of color have other medical disparities.
What's good for the heart is good for the brain. And so many of the disparities that we see in diabetes or hypertension, stroke, could play a role in risk for Alzheimer's or another dementia later in life.
Families of any color sometimes struggle with admitting that a loved one is showing signs of Alzheimer's.
Are there any ethnic relationships between this inability to admit that someone has Alzheimer's and the reality that someone has Alzheimer's?
Absolutely. I think stigma is a big piece of diagnosis, right? So, both African Americans and Latinos are, more likely to be diagnosed at later stages of the disease.
Dr. Hill says researchers in Alzheimer's and health disparities will come together to look for new ways to collaborate and better ways to fight Alzheimer's for everyone. That national town hall is scheduled for next Wednesday afternoon, March 3rd, starting at 5. It is free and open to anyone, but you do have to register, and you can find information on how to do that with this story at NBC4i.com.